Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone to my presentation. My name is Muhammad Atif Rahman Rudro and my ID is IT22002 and it is presented to MD Anwar Kabir sir. And my presentation topic today is about Smart Study Hub. It is basically a web-based learning management system. Then comes a table of contents which is introduction, problem statement, then objectives, then key features, then system overview and technologies used, then system demonstration, then limitations, and finally the future work. In introduction, it is a project named Smart Study Hub. It is basically a web-based learning system and it is specifically designed for both students and teachers. It is a system that provides centralized study resources. It supports the collaborative learning and interactive support, and it also involves resource sharing and improves the organization of the study system. It also involves the study streaks and other phenomena. Then the problem statement. In traditional study system or learning management system, study materials are scattered across different resources. As a result, the students find it difficult to find relevant resources very easily. There is no system that it tracks learning activity. Then it lacks the engagement performance, and then it is difficult in sharing and managing academic content, and in existing system it lacks motivation for consistent learning. Then the objectives: to develop a centralized platform for study materials, to improve student engagement in learning activities. It enables the upload and download of a educational resource. It also implements a gamified system using point sticks and leaderboards. It also provides a request system for missing study materials. It also includes the iterative learning through MCQ based assessment. Then the key features involved in this project are: for student features, it has a personalized dashboard, then it can upload and download materials, the points in daily streak systems, the leaderboard for top contributors, and then the request system with suggestions. It has MCQ based performance per document. It has notifications and profile management. And for teacher features, it has verified uploaded materials. Teacher can manage student request. Teacher can upload requested learning resources. Student ensure content quality and duplicate detection by the teachers. It can also monitor system activities. Then here is the system overview of my project. It has two roles, one is teacher and another is student. The users interacts with the web application, and then backend processes the request, and then data is stored in MySQL database. System runs results dynamically. Then the system also ensures the authentication. Here is the flowchart of my project, where firstly the students and teachers are the users, and next the web application, and next the Node.js backend, and next the MySQL database. And here is the system demonstration of my project. Here is the dashboard of my system and the home of my system. Let's go to the project. Here is the project home page, and during login I have a login system in this. It takes time to implement. So it is a hosting platform. It is basically loading the website. Here is the home page. In login I have already a built-in account. Let's log in. During login it is for teacher. Here is the login system for teacher. Here is the home page where his points is currently 10 because he uploaded a material of a document. During uploading a document, each gain 10 points, and the study streak level means everyday login ensures that study streak level is incremented to 1. And here is the recommendations, that is I uploaded the material, and there are the top and contributors for the who participated in the system, and here are also the documents overall. And then there is a dashboard. Here is the dashboard same, and again there is a browse where the student or teacher can search any study materials by title or subject, by semester or by subject. Again, by liking any document, the points is increases to 10. And verify means the authentication of the resources. And in upload, there student teacher can upload any materials. Then in request, teacher or student can both request a resources here. If there is a resource that matched, then it shows the duplicate detection. And then the leaderboard, that means the top contributors of this project. Here are the two leader top contributors that participated in the project. Then the profile, personal profile. Here is the profile whose name is Firoz Mahmood, Firoz at the rate gmail.com. His role is here teacher. Here is this gamification status, its points is 10 and the study streak is 1 days. And the total uploads Firoz has made is 1. That's why it showed 1. And downloads triggered is not is 0 because no one yet downloaded it, and the like received has yet 0, and the rank is currently 1. And finally we log out in the project. And the student panel also does the same thing. There is no difference, but there is a MCQ assessment system. Please show the at gmail.com. Here is here is the interface for a student. His current points is 0 because he hasn't done any upload or any like. That's why. And the study streak is 1 because he log in the next day. And here the top contributors. And in request, he can request the teacher and request then fulfill the request. Teacher can fulfill the request, and then the leaderboard can show the two users. Then in browse, same thing shows. And in profile it shows the name, and the total uploads is 0, and like receipt is 0, global rank is 1, and points is 0, and streak is 1 days. So let's go to our slide. Then our limitations is that it is limited only to teacher and student. It requires a stable internet connection. It has the use of mobile application. It lacks real-time or communication skills. It limits scalability for large number of users, etc. And then the future work, it can implement the mobile resources for Android and iOS. It can improve the cloud deployment for both scalability and performance. It can have support for offline learning mode. It can have integration with video lectures and live classes. It may have enhanced security with role based access control. So thank you everyone, it is all for today. There is the end of the this is the end of the presentation. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.